So in today's exercise, we will make some pieces for a modern chess set, and here is a bishop. And actually, the head of the bishop is just a revolved segment of the arc. So let's start sketching it. So 1.1 diameter by 1.531. So if I start a new part, and that's obviously a late machined part. So actually, if you have a lathe, you can make one set out of brass and another set out of the aluminum. They are really cool pieces. And all what we have to do is to figure out that particular sketch. First, I will make a big vertical center line. And then I will make a cornered rectangle. And the center line need to be what? Need to be a vertical from the origin. Corner rectangle. So let's check the 1.531 high and diameter 1.1. Again, how do we dimension diameter? We click on a line. Okay. We click on a center line. And we go outside on the other side of the center line, and we will say that this is a 1.1. And then the vertical, the height of that cylinder, is going to be a 1.531. 1.531. Now, this is fully defined. Now, to define my arc, I'm going to use the center, the perimeter. I can use actually circle, center point circle, and anywhere here, and put it center point anywhere on this side, and circle need to be coincidental with this corner here. I will trim that circle from the outside, and I'm going to trim this segment as well as this segment, and I'm going to close with the center line the top. Now, all what I have to do to fully define this is to specify the total height and radius. Height is 3.05 and radius is 2.25. So if I do the radius, 2.25, and the height of this point to the base, 3.05. Look what happened. We have fully defined our bishop. And now what I can do, if I go to the revolve boss base, it automatically has set up my line. Now I need to choose the two contours, 1, 2, and here it is, the bishop is done. Okay, so what did we learn? A little bit more about precision sketching, how to constrain the arc with a point and with a radius, how to use creatively trim, and how to use multi-conture revolve. So let's make now that bishop.